Hi, that's Ariel again. After explaining the first part of the Ururau modules, now we'll have more descriptions of other modules. All the examples of this video can be found in the subfolder test of the Ururau folder. In the first module I will show in this video is the assign. As the name says, it assigns values when an entity passes through the module. It can be variables or attributes. The value assigned is a real number that is result of evaluating an expression specified in the edit box. You can use the assignment as a counter as shown in the example. Other module that has the function of counter is the record. It can also be used to measure the time interval depending on an attribute previously defined by the assign module, compared with the value of the current simulation. The third module is the batch. It makes a specific number of entities to enter into a queue and be batched in one entity. The batch can be permanent, which means it will stay as one till the end of the module, or it can be temporary, possibly undone later by a module that separates lots. The separate module undoes a temporary lot made by the batch module, decreasing the level of nesting and making the entities visible. The next module is the write. This module is used to write data, such as time of arrival or another variable, to a device output. In this case, a text file. Specifying the variable to be read and the name of the output file, this module will write the variable in the specified output. All these parameters can be changed in the edit box. The next module is the junction. It enables the junction of two paths into just one. The next module is the decider. The decider is used by entities to make branching decisions based on chance or the truth, falsity of the prescribed conditions. If the decider is configured by chance, the deviation happens when the connector is defined as having X% of happening for a predetermined position. If not, the process goes to a false command path. If configured by condition, the connector diverts the entity flux in case the specified condition is true. If the condition is false, the flux follows the branch false. And for last, the resource. It generally represents fixed parts of the system and has a very defined function. For instance, a machine, an operator, or a bank teller. Is usually linked to other modules, such as function, moving, or local. The resource is triggered by an entity which occupy, perform the necessary activities, and then vacate. In the next video, I'll start the series of practical examples. Thank you.